Welcome to New Las Vegas, Ghana, a visionary real estate ecosystem where nature, technology, and opportunity meet. Introducing Harmony Bay Estates, our lakefront jewel, nestled between the mountains and the Volta Lake. Digitally registered on the blockchain. Each plot is securely minted on the Polygon blockchain, modern, transparent, and verifiable. Foreigners, welcome. Own land in Ghana legally with lifetime rights and generational transfer, even if you're not a citizen. Perfect for Airbnb income. Build eco-lodges, cabins, or villas and earn from one of Ghana's most scenic short-stay destinations. Flexible financing available. Buy now, pay over time. NLV Finance makes it easy to secure your plot without stress. Choose your view. Lakefront, mid-hill, or hilltop. 210 limited plots with unmatched natural beauty. Sunset Marina, coming soon. Private boat docks, a floating bar lounge, and water taxi connections to Capando and Dodi Island. Part of the new Las Vegas lifestyle. Smart ownership, secured by Web3. Additional digitally registered land titles give you peace of mind with built-in transparency and traceability. Harmony Bay is one of several exclusive estates in Ghana's most forward-thinking gated community. Own your land. Create your legacy. Whether for family, business, or Airbnb, this is your opportunity to build something lasting. Secure your plot today. Visit www.newlasvegas.net to explore live listings now.